We'll start our class. So, like today class, like we want to record means already I told we need to understand the business flow. So that business flow who will provide?
Client will provide us.
Yes, client or business analyst or developer. So some concerned person will be provided. So maybe they will provide from the some use cases document. Otherwise, they will give from the some screenshots like this. For example, we'll go to the application, any one of these application. For example, like a web tour application will go. So this is the application. Okay.
It shows the real time one. Yeah.
Sorry.
You have the real time applications business flow, right?
Yeah, I have. I will show that. Before that, just I will explain that. Okay. How we'll get from the use case and everything. I will explain. Okay. No worry. Okay, now, so this is the application, right? They will not provide from the as a business as to someone is not provide from the as a this URL. First, they will give for the this screenshot, launch screenshot, and after that, they will give from the Jojo, like username, password, they will enter and bean. So next screenshot, they will give for this. And after that click on flight, so they will give for the some arrow, then they will give this, and after that they will enter for these details, and they will give for the continue. So everything they will give for the snapshot for you. So once they provided one document snapshot, we need to prepare for the our use case document. Use case document nothing but business flow. Like how to we can write means, so what is the application, you can give from the application name. Okay. Okay, for example, we are doing for the what is the application? Web tour application. What is the application name? Web tour. Okay, so for here we have the serial number, like how many steps we have serial number, and next steps, and test data, and transaction name. So this will be, we should prepare for this document. So that is why before recording, we should be know for the this business flow. So they are provided first step. Like what is the first step? Launch URL. URL. So what is the test data? So already they are provided from the here URL. So you can take that URL like as a screenshot, or maybe you can give it further. That is the test data, because using this only we can launch the URL, right? So after that, transaction name. So this is also we need to give for the transaction name. What is the transaction name? Launch URL only, right? But we need to go for the naming convention where it should be clear. Like what is the application name? Application name what? Web tour underscore. And what is the your scenario? Flight booking. So don't give for the as per our so we need to give for the naming convention. For here, what you are doing? Launch URL. So we need to provide for the transaction name like this. So then someone will be see this transaction, how much response time happen. Only you can give for the launch URL. So which application is tested? What is the transaction? What is the application? What is the scenario? They will don't know. So that is the way we need to provide for the very clearly for the naming convention. Like what is the application name, and what is the scenario, and what is the transaction name, and asymptom if you want to means more can give for the T01 transaction 01. Okay, so this is the step 1. Step 2, next what we can do, enter username and password. enter username and password. So you need to give for the test data here, because if anyone see this document, easy to understand from the everything. Username, some username and password. Okay. Okay, we need to provide test data. And again, transaction name, we need to provide for the transaction name, same web tour, flight booking, launch URL place. We can give to the what is that? Enter the test data, okay, or login details. You can give it as a transaction name. This is the no need from the when you are entering the data transaction name. No need to give from the here transaction. Okay, so just you can remove this. And next step, what is the next step? Third step. After enter for the username password, what you can do? Login, right? Click on login.
Why don't you mention transaction 2 as a login?
Yeah, that's a good question. So why? Because so when you are entering from the username password, that is not server call, so that is not a network call. So means you are entering username password, that is not going to the network. So there is no response. But when you are click on login only, that is the going to the as a like it is going to the web like a load generator web server, app server, DB server. But when you are entering, right, that is not going to the this cycle. Clear?
When we are trying to give any input or any data, it will not reach to the server.
Yes, it is not reached to the server. Just you are submitting. After click on login only, it will submit the data to the server.
Okay.
So I will show that is also we have the thing will be there. I will show you. So here you need to provide from the login. So just I will show for the one application. I will give for the assignment everyone. I will give for the 2-3 applications. Everyone should prepare this document and share to me. And click on login. After that, what we can do? Select
For the flight.
click on flight, right? Sorry, we can enter from the click on flight. That is the this. So for here test data nothing. So you can give for the transaction name. Also we can give it as a click on flight. Click on flight. So transaction is a T03. You need to practice like this. Then like when you are recording the script also, you need to provide from the this transaction name. Okay. Click on flight. And after that, what we can do? We need to select select depart and
Arrival.
arrival and click on what we can do. So if you want this, you can come here and you can see click on continue button. Click on continue button. So for here also, if you want from the like test data, like what is the source destination, if you want to select anything means you can particularly can give here as test data. Otherwise you can select anything fine, no need to give for the anything. Okay, so you can give for the transaction name. Okay, find flight we can give. Find flight. So transaction 304. Okay, then next step. So sixth step. So after that, what we can do? We are selecting the flight and click for the continue button. Same thing you can give. Select, okay, select flight and click on continue. So you can give for the transaction name also. Okay. So what is the transaction next? Select flight because we are selecting the flight. Transaction T05. And after that, seventh step. Okay, so after that you are entering for the payment details and click on continue button. So enter payment details, and continue. So here it's important. So what is the data you are entering? You can give for that data. Otherwise, just give from this transaction. This what is the data you can give, like first name, okay, comma, last name, and okay, like address 1, comma, address 2, and after that CC credit card and CC expiry date. Okay, so this thing, and after that you can give for the transaction, name it as a, what is the transaction? Payments. Transaction T06. After payment is completed, finally what? We can log out. Click on log out and just give for the transaction name, Control D, and log out or sign off. Okay, whatever maybe. Log out and give for the transaction name is a T07. So this is our business flow we are created. So after that, if you give for this business flow, anyone from our team or anyone, it is a new also, by seeing this you can record easy, right? Because you have the steps what we can do, and he has the URL, and he has the credentials and what steps he can perform, and transaction name also what we can do. So when you are recording the script, it is a very easy, right? So you can assume this is the very simple business, like only 6 transactions happen and 8 steps only happen. But it is a more than 300 steps. You can remember, everyone? Everyone should be remember?
Yes, yes.
No, I don't think so.
No,
Hello?
right? See, we have the 300 transactions will be there. So we can't remember each and every step. So as we are a manual, okay, so we can't remember. So that is why once you can prepare this, right, by seeing this you can record from the 1000 transaction also, 1000 lines of, okay, steps also you can do. So how to we can do means, just what is the steps it will be there, you need to perform the like this. Okay, go to this step, launch URL, and you can click on the launch URL, and after that, so what is the username, password, you can click on this. So you can do for by seeing this document we can record the script. It's clear,
Hello?
everyone? Yes.
Yes, yes. Friend, Wave 2 application in not open in my browser. Please provide a link. Wave 2 application.
Okay, I will share here. Okay, no worry. Okay, I will share.
Yeah, what if we have more than like 300 or 400 steps? What we'll do?
Oh, nothing. So we will get from see, already someone is prepared this document. You can directly using this document, by seeing you can record. Okay, because
No,
300 lines means we don't know, right? Exactly next step what we don't know. So how you can record means, by seeing this document you can record from like this. Okay, launch URL. Okay, after that enter the details, and if you want means transaction name also you can copy, and start transaction name you can give, and after that again enter username, password. Okay, come to here and enter that data also, you don't know, here data is there, you can enter from the data. Okay, by seeing you can record from how many lines of code also, no problem.
we want to create 300 steps.
Yes,
There will be
maybe yeah, maybe it will be need, then we can see. If you are new, that project also came new, you in your bucket, then you need to prepare, must. It is already existing, someone will provide this document. Just you can understand the business flow is a 300 lines. You can do for the manually like this number of times. You can understand first, and after that you can start recording. Clear, everyone? Hello? I think, hello? Everyone is clear,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank
clear.
you. So, how I prepare, right? Your task will be like I will give for the different URLs in our group. I will share. One is pet store application. Okay. You need to prepare yourself as same way you can read. If you guys want to means I will share this screenshot or anything you want. I will share in chart window. Just steps and what are the if you want means just I will share this. Share and save this first. We can call it as a use case document. This okay. I'm sharing to everyone in this group. Just like keep it and just your reference. One time, two times you can see, right? You can easily know for that. Yeah, everyone got. Okay. I think Pest Store application everyone have URL, and we have the one more URL. So yourself like some banking application, you need to search from the your end like in Google or whatever maybe. So banking application, any one of the business flow. One is for the insurance, okay, and one more is for the healthcare, and one more is for the healthcare e-commerce applications like Amazon, Flipkart, this kind of. So these all applications you need to prepare for this use case document. So for here, I will tell you one more thing. So this is the web tour, what? Flight booking. Flight booking. Maybe we have the second scenario also same in the web tour application. Okay. We can create as a flight booking, like flight ticket cancelled. So this scenario is different. So this scenario also we need to prepare from the insert from same steps you need to prepare. Like next step, what? Launch URL and enter username password. Up to that is fine. Login is fine. But after that, don't click for the click on flight. So if you go for the application, so for after login, you can see. So click on login. So you need to click for the itinerary. That is the cancellation ticket. And you can select for the what is the tickets you want to select. Okay. And after that, cancel selected tickets. Cancel checked. So after cancellation is completed, your business scenario is completed, sign off. So this business flow is a different, means in one application also we have multiple scenarios will be there. Clear? Hello?
Okay.
Okay. So like I'm giving for the assignment, everyone, you should be like everyone will be know for this banking application. Everyone create from the three scenarios. One is for the like launch login common. After that, scenario one will be uh, balance transfer. One is for the adding pay. One is for the like request to the customer. So like this, you can prepare for the three scenarios. Going to the insurance. So insurance, we have the general insurance, vehicle insurance, yeah, different will be there. So one is for the vehicle insurance, one is for the, okay. So like that, you can prepare for the three scenarios. Healthcare, nothing but hospitalization. One is for the outpatient, inpatient. After that, maybe you will stay from there. Then how many days you want to stay? So that is the one scenario. E-commerce application. One is for the like ticket booking. Sorry, e-commerce application. Select any one of the product and you can book that product. Okay, that is the one scenario. One more scenario, cancellation. One scenario. Okay, and for this way you can prepare for the use case document like this from the these all steps. So how many steps it will come, you can decide by seeing the application. So if you go to the Google, I want for the banking application, you can open, you know, for the steps, like what are the scenarios we can do, like any three scenarios, each and every domain, we can call it as each and everything is a domain. You can prepare for the three steps, three scenarios. One is for the like transfer money, one is for the like checkbook request, one is for the paying ad, and so this kind of you can prepare yourself and you can prepare one document like this. So you can give for the, this is the web tour. In the one document only you can prepare all things. Okay. Web tour. And second one you can prepare as a banking. So in this here, three scenarios you can prepare for the each and every sheet. One is for the insurance, like this you can prepare, and after that you can send this document to me. So, and assume one more thing, maybe here like each and everyone work as a together as a team, then only you will be success. Don't think I'm only everything, no, that is not good. As a IT, if you went right, so everything we need to work as a team. So today onwards, everyone should be like we have the group, and in the group communicate. Okay, I am available. Please connect. Means you can, guys can create one Zoom link and you can connect. And okay, this is the URL. We can prepare for this document, or tomorrow I will give for the other assignment. Everyone will work as a together, and you guys will be success will be more. Only yourself means what will happen, right? You can open from the one time, two times in Google. Oh, no, I am not finding anything. Maybe you are together, you can work. Oh, I find for this. Okay, you can also search this. So like this, you can prepare together. Then you guys will be success from the after end of our classes. Everyone will be good knowledge you will get. Don't alone, don't work anything. You guess each and every point. Like it's a daily half an hour you guys can spend. Like one person take, okay, as a team lead as whatever maybe. You can organize, okay, we can connect from this time. How many numbers are like available? We can connect and you guys can discuss what we discussed from the yesterday class. Like you can discuss and what is the assignment, how way we can do, and for this same assignment we can try with the different application or not. You can try with the yourself, because so just I will give for the this step, then fine for my side, but next will be work your side. Like this flight booking application only we have the some different ticket, cancel ticket also will be there. Same way you need to identify this also different things. Got it, everyone? So maybe you are facing some issues. So you can ping in our group. If anyone will be know in our group, right, they will be answer. Maybe I'm not available also sometimes because maybe I'm in busy with the meetings also, because today someone is pinged Shiva. Okay, so I'm end-to-end meeting, so unable to ping also is not possible to me because I'm unable to open mobile also. Okay, so this kind of situation will happen. If you know anything in our group, you can just ping me. Then he will like you will get knowledge, and he will also, okay, you can issue also you can resolve. So don't only in your bucket only is there that issue. That issue is not resolved. When I came, right, then only, okay, this issue will be resolved. So not only for any kind of issue, like you are facing any scripting issue or you're facing any error, you are getting anything, right, you should be elaborate in our group. So really, if you know anything, you can help to the in our group for everyone. Maximum I will give for the answer. Maybe sometimes I'm not responsible. You can, then you can respond on our group and you can do it. So this is the way you can do, and you guys, everyone will be success. So like after that, right, if you, scripting is started, I will do the teams also. Like we have the like 7 numbers, means every 3 numbers I will do for the one team also. Then you can together team also you can work on that. So in IT, that is a success. See, if I am there means I am only not work for the entire thing. Maybe I will prepare for the one script, someone will prepare for the one script, and together we can work. Really, I face any issues also, I definitely approach with our teammate, because we are not machine, right? Everyone should be don't know for the everything. So it's clear, everyone.
Yes.
So thank you for joining, and we'll today I'm closing class, and today assignment, not only today assignment, maybe tomorrow and after tomorrow, 2-3 days I'm not available because I'm going to the, okay. So let's stop recording. Everything is recording.